In Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli district, powerful winds have caused extensive damage to the banana plantations. It is over 1 lakh roads is reportedly approved. The sudden weather event has resulted in massive financial losses for local farmers, many of whom early living on banana cultivation for their livelihood. Agriculture officials have begun ascertaining the damage and they expected the recommended relief measures. Farmers have government for compensation and support to the recover from the incident has sparked renewed calls for crop insurance and disaster preparedness.
नहीं जड़ी सर